Goals play a pivotal role when it comes to organizing your teams around your company's top priorities. They help employees and managers align on what matters most and determine what success looks like for an employee, team, and the organization. When companies and their employees create and share goals together, it increases employee engagement. Employees can easily see the connection between their day-to-day work and the goals of the organization, which helps them feel their work is important. They are able to understand, track, and measure their contributions toward the bigger picture. Discuss objectives with employees, track important progress, and keep everyone aligned with quantum workplace goals. Our Intuitive Goals tool allows you and your employees to create goals, invite others to contribute, and update the current status of each goal. Whatever you aim to accomplish, Goals makes it simple to rally the team and keep your efforts aligned. Staying on the same page has never been easier. Click Create a new goal. Write an aspirational objective. Add key results to help you track overall progress. Decide what type of goal you are creating. Align the goal with other team and organizational goals. Then, create and launch. Everyone can see goal updates on the Quantum Workplace newsfeed, allowing for employees to like and comment on them. This helps you drive a culture that celebrates when goals are updated and achieved. Make it easy to set, share, and update goals, all while creating a clear path to success with Quantum Workplace Goals.